Hello colleagues, you are welcome to lesson 9. In this lesson, we're going to continue to look at how to create a lesson. So once you're able to create one lesson, is the way that everybody needs to go. Once you're able to do that, then there's no problem. The only thing that we have to do after looking at the structure is to look at how to use other MOODLE tools, activities, and also resources. Now we're going to continue to look at the presentation of the topic, and we'll look at it up to bringing in resources. So now I don't want to add anything to the edit handle here, so I'm going to bring in a label and continue with the RPK. And the RPK, you may decide to use forum for it, or like in a typical classroom, you want to introduce or you want to teach a lesson, you have to solicit for the RPK. We can use forum for it. You may caption it as RPK or forum discussion. So I'm going for a label add, so I presume maybe in this discussion the learner will use 20 minutes. So I have this. Let me paste before the formatting buttons come. So it is from MS Word, so I'm going to clear it. Okay. Then I pick medium heading, bold. Okay. So the purpose of this discussion is for you to share with us your view or views about teaching. Click on the forum title teaching and follow on screen instruction to enter your response. So this is what the learner will see. So let me copy it, teaching, and save and return to course. And by this time you are comfortable with the forum activity. So I'm going to bring the forum activity. Forum. So the forum name is teaching. Let me see what I've put down. Okay, so you may this, let me just copy it all, and I'm sure you know the various segments of the forum activity. From Word, so let me go and clear the formatting. Okay, so you may contribute to this discussion by answering the question below. So this is a question: what is teaching? Now, as I've said in one of the videos, if the learners are new to MOODLE, then you must give them detailed explanation of how to go about it. So click on the reply button to start entering your response in a text editing environment. That is it is under message. At the end of your entries, click post to forum. Remember, your responses are public. We don't want this to this, so this is not a standard, it is a single simple discussion. And because you are okay with the forum, I'll not go through the rest. We have gone through this before, so I can go for save and display, and we'll see how it looks like. So this is how it will look like. The user will click on this and you may contribute to this. Okay, so let me go back to the course by clicking on the course code. So after this what we have here. Okay, since there's enough space here, let me see how to bring it closer. After the RPK, then you now present the stimulus. So we go into the presentation area. Let me see. Let's view the pathway. So learning objectives, presentation of topic, relevant previous knowledge. That's the forum we can use. The instructional materials. It can be reading materials. We can also add video, audio, that's multimedia. Okay. So let me see. Save and return to course. Let me see, that can make it a little bit closer. Okay, this a little bit closer. So this for the learner. We'll see. As we move on, we'll be learning other techniques. Now let's move on with the presentation. So I go for a label. Any activity that you want to go through, you must introduce it by using a label. So let me just say presentation and reading resources. What our maximum. Okay, so let me just pick this. Let me pay before it comes. So this is from Word. Click on the show more buttons. Clear. Can go now for medium. Okay, the purpose of this activity is for you to gain an in-depth knowledge about teaching philosophy. Read the articles listed below after you have downloaded them for a comprehensive outlook on the topic. You may visit other sources of knowledge, for example, Google, Teaching Philosophy, Functions of Education, and download some of the links and read. So this is okay. If you want to be specific, if the articles or the materials you are listening, they are Word, PowerPoint or PDF, you can say that. So I'm going to bring the materials. The materials are in this folder, and we have so many ways of loading this. So I'll take you through the two. We've done it before, but maybe you have forgotten. Unless you may download the videos also. As we move on, we'll learn how to download videos from YouTube or when it is presented. So I'm going to just do that. The first one is the hardest way, but it's simple. Just have the two windows and teaching. So I drag it. So I can change the name to writing teaching philosophy statement. Then you enter. So this is a document that's changed. Then the rest, if you want to bring it, you can go to add. Then in this case, it's a resource. You're going to pick a file. We've done this before, so it is a revision. So the name, so I can give this, let's say 9, maybe let's say 9 document. If you have some description, you can do that. Then this way you can drag and drop the file here, or you click on, you can drag and drop the file here, or you click on add button, go to upload file, then browse, then locate where it is, materials, it is this document section 1, then click on upload this file. Then you are done. This we have done it before. Save and return to course. So I use the first approach to bring in the third material. So I restore this. I'm going for teaching philosophies. So I click on this, drag. So then I rename it. I have teaching philosophy, so I can just, okay, teaching philosophy guide. Then I delete the rest and enter. So teaching philosophy's guide. So that's how you bring in resources. Thanks for watching.